Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we will be making different shapes of pastries using a fluffy dough made with milk, eggs, and flour. First, we need to prepare the following ingredients: 1 cup of warm milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, a quarter cup of oil, 3 cups of flour, and a pinch of salt. We'll start by preparing the dough. First, mix the warm milk with the sugar and yeast in a large bowl and let it sit for 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Then, add the egg and oil and mix well. Gradually add the flour and salt, kneading until you get a smooth and cohesive dough. Let the dough rest and rise in a warm place for about an hour until it doubles in size. Once the dough has risen, we can start shaping the pastries as desired. You can make croissants, buns, or even stuffed pies. For croissants, roll out the dough into a rectangle and cut it into triangles. Then, roll the triangles from the base to the tip and place them on a baking sheet. For buns, cut the dough into small balls and shape them by hand into small loaves. For pies, roll out the dough and cut it into circles, filling them with your favorite fillings such as cheese, meat, or thyme. After shaping the pastries, let them rest again for 10 minutes before brushing them with egg yolk and sprinkling with sesame seeds or black seeds as desired. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake the pastries for 15 to 20 minutes until they turn golden brown. If you want to add an extra touch to your pastries, try stuffing the dough with cream cheese or chocolate. Fill the dough and roll it up, then cut it into small pieces and bake them. They will turn out delicious and stand out among the other pastries. To maintain the shapes of the pastries after baking, let them cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. This way, the pastries will stay fresh and soft for as long as possible. If you want to keep the dough soft, you can place a piece of apple inside the container with the pastries. Remember, experimenting in the kitchen is a joy in itself. Don't be afraid to try new shapes and fillings. Fluffy pastries suit all tastes and occasions, whether for breakfast, dinner, or even a light snack. In conclusion, thank you to everyone who joined us today. I hope you benefited and enjoyed the recipe. Try it out and share your experiences with us. Don't forget to add your personal touches and get creative in shaping the pastries. See you in a new recipe and delicious ideas.